Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a connection between Notion and n8n. First, let's search up Notion. You're going to come over here, just click any of the following and click on Create New Credential. And we need an internal integration secret. To get this, come over to your Notion workspace. You're going to click on Settings and you're going to click on Connections. And we're going to click Develop or Manage Integrations. Come to New Integration, give it the workspace, leave this as internal, and just add a name here. Just going to call it n8n Integration. Click on Save, click Configure Settings. Now you need to give it certain capabilities. If you come over to the developer documents, we need the Read, Update, and Insert. These are already pre-selected in the capabilities. The last thing that we need though is the user information without email addresses, which is this option here. So you're going to click on that and click Save. Now if we come back to our Notion, we're just going to refresh this. So as you can see, we have n8n integration. You're going to click this, click on Copy the token, come back to n8n, paste it in, click Save, and you'll see it says connection tested successfully. So now we have successfully created an integration between the two. Now you don't automatically get permission to work with Notion. First, what you need to do is you need to come back to Notion and you need to select what workspace you want it to work with, or I should say page. So say for example, I created this page that just says YouTube and I want to use this in n8n. So what you need to do is you need to make sure this is selected, come to here, and then click on Connections. Then search for the connection we just created, which is n8n integration that we just created here. Click on this and click Confirm. So now you have successfully created n8n to this specific workspace. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.